Day 32. Give more out for free. It's going to take you to like 20 minutes.
Mom, I take
He doesn't go. Okay, so right now I have some kale sauteing with some eggs, which has pepper and cayenne pepper. Just black pepper and cayenne pepper. And I have some kale here. I'm going to add some garlic powder and onion powder to the kale once it cooks down a little bit. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do. This is a healthy meal. So I have 3 slices of tomato. Well, it's actually 2.5 slices. A half a cup of kale, 2 eggs, an avocado, and everything bagel seasoning. So the way my day is gonna go, this is just gonna be my healthy meal, and then the rest of the day will be snacks and then my shake. So this is my meal. I can't even finish this little bit, so that's that. About to make a snacky snack, and I'm going to have this 15 grams of protein. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. Multi-grain with a touch of cinnamon, sweetened with wheat rice and soy flakes. 15 grams of protein in 1 1/3 cup. 15 grams of protein. And some almond milk. That's what I'm eating. Oh wait, I think I have a half a banana I can add in here too. Let me get that. I forgot I had this in the fridge because I don't waste nothing. This is from when I had Raisin Bran the other day. Okay, this is my snack.
Hi and bye-bye, hi and bye-bye.
Guys, it is 6 o'clock. I have 1,000,001 things still to do. My son just like crushed my face with a toy. I'm supposed to be eating right now, but I'm not hungry. I'm kind of stressed out. So I'm literally gonna drink this and clean my house because at this point, yeah. Y'all, no lie, it is 8 o'clock and I am just now sitting down to get some work done. Oh my god. It's been a really crazy Friday and I'm just exhausted. I'm so tired. So tired.
Hi.
So I realized, AJ says hi.
Hi.
I realized that I haven't really eaten today or like shared anything good, and I'm so sorry. I just haven't eaten. That Celsius, I literally take 2 sips of it and it's still sitting over there. I was just so busy getting stuff done. But now I'm going to sit down and try to get some work done. It's just been a very, very busy day and I'm very, very tired and I just haven't had time to stop and eat, which is extremely common for stay-at-home moms. I think that's why moms like lose themselves so easily, because we're just constantly going for everyone else and just kind of put ourselves on the back burner, which I'm really trying to work on. It's kind of another point of this vlog, was trying to work on that and like try to remember to eat and stuff. But there's just good days and bad days, and it's just very common for moms to do that. So Yeah, y'all be nice to them stay-at-home moms. Y'all don't know what be going on. I know it's stressful out there in the world too, but Lord. It's just been one of them days. 2021? Dang. My husband's watching a vlog that I did in 2021 on YouTube. Those vlogs seem to do better. Like, they have a lot of comments and stuff. Y'all not commenting on these vlogs. Y'all need some comment. Anyways, I'm about to take my Prolesta. It's late. Babe, why are you under the table? Cheers. Got my strawberry shake. AJ's sick. You can hear AJ coughing, and you can hear me talking in the background because it's another vlog. Like from 2021 when I did a 21-day challenge. I actually won that one, right?
I think you did.
I think I got first or second place. I don't remember. It probably says it in the last vlog. You all should go back and watch it. I'm just saying. I'm trying to do that again. I have my body for this cruise. Okay, now I'm gonna take my goalie. You want some? You want some gummies? He's so nasty. He's feeding him his gummies.
Put it in my mouth.
I'll put it in your mouth.
She's so ready for I'm tired right now and I'm stressed out right now. And then I'm going to try and clean that up.
Brooklyn sleep. The teenagers are being teenagers, eating crumble cookies and living the best life ever. And AJ is watching that family that you see on the TV back there on YouTube. I'm going to edit this video and then we're going to get to go watch a movie tonight because the kids are actually going to sleep before 11 o'clock. Maybe my husband will stay awake. Just kidding. He takes naps and then he wakes up when it's time to go to bed. See you on the next video.
And I need to be